Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Collective investment scheme. What are collective investment schemes? There are several avenues for investment for a better return, and collective investment scheme is one of the modes of saving among them. It can be defined as an arrangement made by any company under which the contributions are made by the investor for creating a pool of money which is then utilized for receiving profits, income, produce and property, which are then looked after by the manager on behalf of the investors. It serves as a flexible saving vehicle for individuals, corporate bodies, etc. to add funds for future needs. Investors do not keep any day-to-day control over the management and operation of such scheme or arrangement. However, in India, the definition of CIS excludes mutual funds or unit trusts. History of collective investment schemes in India. In the 1990s, several agro-based and plantation companies in India started pooling money from people with a promise of high return about 18 to 30%. Unfortunately, neither interest nor principal has been paid by them to the investors. Therefore, the Government of India, through a press release in 1997, announced its intention of putting in place an appropriate regulatory framework of regulating such entities which issue instruments such as plantation bonds or agro-based bonds to people. It decided to treat schemes through which such instruments are issued as collective investment schemes, which are able to regulate it by SEBI. In this direction, it finally came out with the notification of SEBI Collective Investment Scheme SEBI Regulations 1999 for the regulation of CIS. Collective Investment Management Company. Collective Investment Management Company is a company established under the provision of Companies Act 2013 or earlier Companies Act 1956 with the main object of organizing, operating and managing a collective investment scheme and getting registered with SEBI under Collective Investment Scheme SEBI Regulations 1999. Procedure to get registered with SEBI. File an application to SEBI for registration in prescribed Form A along with a prescribed document and a non-refundable fee provided in Schedule 11 of the regulations. After receiving the application, the board may reject the incomplete one or the one which do not conform to the requirements specified in respective regulations. Before rejecting any such application, an opportunity shall be given to removing all discrepancies within 1 month. The board shall take in view whether the eligibility criteria of the applicant is as per regulations before granting the certificate. Once the board is satisfied that applicant complies the above eligibility criteria, then the applicant is intimated to pay the requisite fees. After receiving of the requisite fees, grant the certificate of incorporation in Form B. Thank you.